In some good news today, it's been announced that Max Anstie has signed with Firepower Honda, saying, quote, on his Instagram, "Let's get down to business, Honda Racing Moto. Looking forward to lining up at Red Bud this Saturday. Gonna race the next 3 nationals on the 450, then the real world starts. I'm excited to have a fresh new start at Supercross, new bike, new class, or old, new races, all this to be announced later, blah, blah, blah." Obviously, that's alluding to the World Supercross Championship, probably not the American Supercross Championship, which the Firepower Honda team has been, thought of building a team to race at. And obviously, Max Anstie's last ride was the now defunct RVT, whatever, BBMX, whatever you want to call him, all that, down in flames and smoked and bad. So it's cool to see him actually get a ride. Obviously, coming from before that, he was with Suzuki and now KTM and now Honda. So it's cool to see him actually get a ride that, let's hope, knock on wood, that won't go defunct and won't be just poor like everything else has been for him. I like Max Anstie. I think he's a cool rider, great personality. So I hope this works for him. But in the comments below, tell me what you think. Will he do well in the next few rounds of motocross? If he goes to Supercross the World Championship, how do you think that's going to go? Whatever you want to say in the comments below, make sure to do it. Like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things you can on this platform. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.